Listen, we need to talk. You see, that thing that you have been doing since you were a baby, that is using tissue to wipe your bum bum. Yeah, you have been doing it all wrong. And it is probably leaving your bum dirtier than you think. Your tissue is not as innocent as you think. So, what is the problem with tissue? Tissue paper is dry. That is just the problem. It is dry. And when you use it, it doesn't actually clean everything. It just smears some of it around. So, unless your tissue is magic, my dear, you are basically painting. And because it is dry, tissue can also cause micro tears in your skin, especially if you wipe too hard. You see those tiny cuts, they can lead to irritation, infection, and itching. According to hygiene experts, tissue removes less than 40% of residue compared to washing with water. That means after you wipe, you are still walking around with 60% of the problem in there. No wonder some people smell like trouble even after cleaning. It's just like washing your hands without water. You are just walking around with germs. So let's talk about the health risk. Skin irritation and itching, especially with scented tissue. Hemorrhoids flare-ups, which is from wiping roughly. Urinary tract infections, especially in women from bacteria spreading. Anal fissures from micro tears. You used to think it's just toilet discomfort, but your bum bum is already filing a complaint. So what are the better alternatives? What are the solutions to this problem? My dear, don't panic. I'm not saying that you should carry buckets everywhere you go, but here are possible solutions, other options. The best, and number one best is to wash with water. Then you can pat dry with tissue or towel. Two, moist wipes. You know all these wipes now, they used to be wet, they used to be moist, but make sure that you are using the unscented and alcohol-free wipes. And please don't flush them, oh. Don't flush them in your toilet so that they will not go and block your pipes. Three, in case you are somewhere that you can't find water, this can happen. There are many situations. So in case you are around the place that you cannot access water, take your tissue, wet it with water. Don't use it dry like that. You need to wet it with water so that it can do what you want it to do. Then you clean up. Not that you are going to load the tissue with water, we just wet slightly. In some countries like Japan, France, and many parts of the Middle East, water cleaning is the normal thing they do there. In fact, they used to think that we are the weird ones for relying on dry paper. So please, let's stop belittling ourselves. Your bum bum deserves a VIP treatment, not some dusty rub down. So please switch to water or wipes and thank me later. So in my next video, I'm exposing why you sweat more than others. And no, it is not always because of the heat. So please anticipate. So if you gain a value, of course you gain a value. Share this video to at least 5 people you care about. Don't gatekeep. And please like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more important health information like this. And until next time, don't forget your health is always my own mission. So please don't stop thriving.